It's gonna be your bestie on your, you know, on the station. So when you're doing it chamfer foil, it's gonna definitely make a different looks for it. So applies and tie the nails, covers the nails, and cure for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna use this one. Hi Jasmine, thank you. All right, 30 seconds. I'm gonna using this one. Hey, hey Isabel, thanks so much for tuning in from Facebook. Hey Mika on Facebook. Hi Jasmine's on Facebook. Lovely 144 on Facebook. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. I mean, Lovely 144 is from YouTube. So you just see it, huh? Okay, move it on this side. And then, hold on, where am I? I'm gonna place this one on right here. Okay, give it a good pressures. My hands have a lot of oils right now. And give it a good rub. See how cool and chamfer is? Put my chamfers, everything. If it not, you can just lay it back up. Okay, even if you don't want anything else, you're good to go. You can definitely just top coat and key for 60 seconds. You're good to go. I'm gonna add the little crystal placements on. Here's a condensed glue gel first step. Really thick density, so you need just a little. However, when you need longer nails, you might need some more. You can able to pick some more and spread it evenly over the nails. It's not going to look really nice and smooth, slicky like a no wet top coat. However, it will be really smooth out after you apply the no wipe top coat on. So this is the second step. So between condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, you're gonna grab your crystals, base of the crystal, charms and chains, and then keep it in one place. Okay. Sorry, my crystal is all over places. Okay, so put this on in there. Okay, so I'm not using just one centerpiece. You can add some metal beads on if you can't, if you like to get some metal beads if you don't want to. You can leave it as it is and you don't have to add anything on. I'm gonna add some beads on it. add the smaller size. So I'm going from size SS10 to SS like 6. You gradually getting smaller. I'm gonna do just a little halos here. Okay, and this one. You can continue to add some more. I think I want this one. So adorable. So we can still see the image. The background is ombre. It makes it really cool though. I like that a lot. All right, that's it. You haven't get chance to get yourself is this glow in the dark kits. This is a great chance because you're getting a free crystal trifecta. That's everything you need. One more beads, one more crystal, and then we are good to go. You can add beads. Okay. You happy with this? We're going to cure, but I think I'm gonna add just a couple more. It's right there. All right. Hey, everyone doing okay? Any questions? Okay. Fabulous.
And still, yes, sticker and dresser foil are for sale right now. All the way until midnight on Sunday, Central Time. And you will get 50% off both dresser foil and stickers.